All right, folks, got me another one. This is a Gewehr, if I'm saying that right, Gewehr 88. I did not get this from RTI. I actually got it off Gunbroker. It's really, really dirty, but it's not in terrible shape. I will explain something about the bolt here in a minute. 1894 dated. If you can see all this crud, it's like baked on cosmoline or something. It's terrible. So this was sold that the bolt wasn't working. So it was sold as a wall hanger. But other than that, so I've got to look at the bolt. I haven't done that yet, just to see what's going on. I literally just took it out of the box. So I thought I would do a little unboxing, minus the unboxing part. I've been wanting one of these, and from what I'm understanding, people in the know, this is not the, it's 8mm Mauser, but it's not the 323 diameter bullet. It's not the common bullet. It's a 318, which I can hand load them. That's not a problem. But there's no cracks that I see. Just some handling marks, that kind of stuff. It's super dirty. But I think I could clean most of that up. But I wanted to do a unboxing before I started actually tearing it down. Let me see. I have not looked in the bore. So this we're going to look at together. Once again, it's not easy for me to get down here, y'all. Wait, I'm gonna have to back that out. Y'all bear with me, y'all. I got this brace on and I can't get down. It's shiny. Almost too shiny to look down through there. Let me back that out a little bit more. Well, it's got rifling. The bore looks pretty good. From what I understand, a lot of these, the bores are not that great. But anyway, let me get back up. It's hurting. So there you go. I'll do another video when I get it cleaned up and see if I can figure this bolt out. Because that's all it'll do is right there. All right. I'll let you know when I get it done.